welcome to my channel, welcome to a brand new video. So, have you ever been just browsing through Google or Pinterest or Instagram and you've come across these beautiful pictures of flowers and you've just been wowed by how stunning they look? Well, to get such pictures, there is a secret photography technique that you can use. And in this video, we will be diving right into that technique and you can see how to take such pictures yourself just using your smartphone camera. I will also be giving you some quick bonus tips which will help you to enhance your photos even more. So don't forget to watch till the end of the video. Now, before we start guys, I have left timestamps in the description box below, so you can check it out if you want to skip to different parts of the video. Alright, so all that out of the way, let's just get started. Now first, let me introduce you to that sacred technique. So in professional photography, this is known as the bokeh effect. And in very simple words, what we basically do in this is blur the background in the picture, sort of highlighting the focused object. Now, to take such pictures, you need to focus manually on your smartphone camera. Now, yes, every single smartphone has an automatic focus, and if you use that, you may not necessarily get the bokeh effect. So, if you use the automatic focus on your smartphone, this will be the result you get. And you can see the background is not blurred very properly, especially when compared to the one on the right. So just focus manually like this, and also don't keep the camera too close to the flower because it won't be able to focus clearly. So keep it at a minimum distance and zoom in if you want to. Now let me just show you a few pictures that I took. Now this is a magnified picture of an ant on a leaf, and I just used my smartphone camera for this, and this is just to show you that you can use the bokeh effect not only for plants or flowers, but for insects, animals, or even for non-living things, anything you like. And one more important thing before we move on guys, bokeh effect is a part of macro photography, and we will discuss more about that in one of my future videos. Now what I wanted to tell now is that just go to the camera settings on your phone and change the focus mode to macro. By default it will be on autofocus, change that to macro. Basically, this is the smartphone camera's closest equivalent to a macro lens, which is used in professional cameras. So turn it on if that's possible on your phone. It will make things a lot more easier. And if you don't have that, trust me, I have taken so many pictures without this macro mode on and they have turned out just fine. This is just an extra step to make things a little bit more easier and faster. Alright, so moving on to those bonus tips that I spoke about. Now the first one is regarding the time at which you should preferably take these photographs, especially of flowers or just plants. Now try to shoot them early in the morning because that is the time when you have dewdrops on the leaves or petals. And they actually do make a huge difference guys. They make your photos look more beautiful and a lot livelier. Now let me just show you a few pictures that I got. Now you can see this is just an ordinary leaf and it looks so beautiful because of those dewdrops on it. Now mornings also provide you with a better lighting because that early morning sun gives a very soft light to your pictures and you can avoid getting a bad glare on them. Now the second tip is regarding the background. So basically, the more far off the background is, the better your picture will look. Now the reason for this is very simple. As I told you before, bokeh basically blurs the background. And the farther the background is, the more it gets blurred, especially because we are using a smartphone camera and it doesn't have that much of power to blur a background. So the more it gets blurred, the more your image will stand out. So just compare these two pictures and you can see that the one with the far off background looks much more better. Alright, so we are almost done with today's video, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that notifications bell as I post new videos every 2 weeks. Also give this video a big thumbs up and share it with all your friends and family, and please leave all your opinions, suggestions or doubts in the comment section below, and don't forget to go and check out my channel. I have more videos about how you can get stunning pictures with just a smartphone camera. So as always, grab your smartphone and get clicking, and I'll see you in my next video.